Okay, I guess once you get your brick carving skills down, add another layer of detail. If you look at some of my other stuff here, to add depth to your brick and several layers of brick, the easy way to do that is go ahead and take your small expandable, and where you mark your brick lines on the end of the brick, what I do is that's the depth of the brick on that side. So what I'll do is I'll take that and cut down and flip out, and the same thing on the other side. Take it down to where the brick line is right there, and do the same thing, because a lot of the brick is several layers, so you've got several layers of brick that you can utilize to add depth to your brickwork there. So, and then what you do is you just go back in, and a lot of the bricks are offset. So if you look at that brick line, just offset that second level in between the brick, and do your brick lines in between the outer layer of bricks, if you kind of catch my drift. And on these smaller pieces, you can just get away with eyeballing a lot of it and doing the corners and stuff. But there's your second layer of brick there, and you can go ahead and take your X-Acto and carve in the vertical brick lines and everything. But that just adds a second layer of brick, which actually gets a little depth in there. And I broke the top of this off, but keep all your pieces, so because you can add rubble in, or you can actually add another side to this to make it a gate or a doorway or something. Anyway, but yeah, make sure you keep all your pieces, because you can add to your diorama. But if you see, I've done the brick lines all the way around, and again down here you can do the same thing. Just take your end of the brick line here and cut in, snap out, and do the same thing on this side, the depth of the brick. And look, you can add a second layer of exposed brick, and then you can go in there and carve it in and everything. But anyway, but that just adds that much more depth to your damage and everything, to your diorama and everything. So, and basically the finished product is going to be something like this. You see several layers of brick, and even carve some brick laying up in there. I mean, that's what I've done. You got several layers of brick here. So anyway, but try it out.